Hi all, today we are making an unboxing video, and apparently this is not something I usually do, but I just ended up buying a 6 terabyte hard drive and I wanted to capture the moment while also making a quick video about it. And why this was a necessity for me, because I am running out of storage and I already have around 8 terabyte of storage in total. So this was pricey, but a valid decision at this time, considering I still have a good amount of movie collections to be downloaded. So in this video we are just going to take a look at WD's 6 terabyte hard drive, and I just got it from a friend of mine, and this was for around 14,500 rupees. So as I'm unboxing, I will also tell you why buying something like this is better than, what do you call, maybe investing on a Blu-ray player and DVDs. So this is the product. I'm just going to, there we go. Forgive me if I'm not doing it properly, guys. I have never done this. I've never recorded what I'm going to do. So this is the first. Now here is the product. Let me see if there is. There we go. Okay, it's glossy. Looks decent. It's okay. This is fine. It is not so heavy, but apart from that, this is pretty good, I would say. It's sturdy, has decent vents. Now, why am I buying this particular hard drives? As I discussed, I have multiple hard drives. Why do I have to invest in a hard drive? Is simply because at this moment there aren't much DVD players or Blu-ray players that can help you play any movies in, what do you call it, without spending some money. So if you want to buy a Blu-ray DVD of any movie, example Interstellar or Oppenheimer, you are going to end up spending at least 2,000 rupees per DVD, and this one cost you around 14,000, but you get 6 terabyte of storage, which will help you store a good amount of movies. I would say, give it or take, it's going to be 70 or 80 GB file per Blu-ray remux file, which is a 4K file. So that will help you on the long run, and that is solely one reason. Now you get an adapter along with it. Okay, excuse me guys. So basic adapter. I kind of like the Seagate one because there were multiple options for this particular plug port, and there is only two in here. The one with Seagate which I bought had almost another 10 different versions of it, so this could have been better, but nothing much to complain. Well, that is pretty much it for this video, guys, and I will see you in another one.